Take a look at these shorts. They're getting millions of views. Some have even crossed 20 million plus. ChatGPT launched the Sora app at the end of September. People started creating funny videos with it and posting them on YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Some are earning thousands of dollars from YouTube Shorts, but you need to know how to create unique and funny videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create these videos using Sora 2 and how to remove the watermark. You can start this as a side hustle along with your job. It won't take more than 30 minutes a day to make 4 to 5 videos. First, let's talk about how you can earn from these shorts. Currently, there are two ways: YouTube monetization and the TikTok Creator Program. For YouTube Shorts, you need 500 subscribers and 3 million views in the last 90 days, which is very achievable with Shorts. For TikTok, you need 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in the last 30 days. If you upload 4 to 5 videos daily, it's not hard to reach these requirements. So watch this video till the end. And if you like it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and check out our previous videos. Let's start. We're going to follow these steps. 1. Creating a Sora 2 prompt with ChatGPT. 2. Creating a video in Sora 2. 3. Uploading it on YouTube. First, let's create a prompt. Go to ChatGPT and add a prompt like I did. I'm giving ChatGPT a reference Sora 2 prompt so it can generate similar ideas. It gave me many ideas. You can pick whichever you like. By the way, you don't need to use ChatGPT every time. You can create your own prompts too. For example, body cam footage of a police officer stopping a car. When he gets near the window, a cat opens it. The officer asks for a license, and the cat gives him a fish. It should look like a real, natural video. You can come up with creative and funny videos. ChatGPT is mainly for those who don't have much time to think of new ideas. Otherwise, I recommend thinking of your own prompts. Okay, let's copy a prompt from here. Now, step 2. Open Sora 2 on the web or app. I'm using the web version. You need an invite code to use Sora 2. If you don't have one, I'll add a website link where you can get it for free. After opening the site, create your profile. Here you can see videos created by other users. You can also upload your generated videos on the Sora app like Instagram. However, they don't have a monetization program yet, so you can't earn money directly from it. You can still take inspiration from these videos. Now let's start creating the video. Paste your prompt, choose portrait aspect ratio, and select the duration. I recommend 10 seconds because for 15 seconds, you can generate a limited number of videos. You can still try 15 seconds if you want. Okay, now let's generate the video. While it's generating, let me tell you about my previous video. If you have any brand or business you want to promote online, I made a video on how you can use Sora 2 for that. It's literally game-changing, so don't forget to watch that after this one. Okay, now our video is ready. Let's download it and take a look.
Whoa, no way.
Easy, buddy. Take your bag.
Thank you, I guess. Have a good night.
Next, we'll remove the watermark. It's up to you. Many creators post videos with the watermark too, but we'll remove it here. There are two ways. 1. Use snaplama.com, where you can generate Sora 2 videos without a watermark. No need to remove it later. 2. Use a free watermark remover like Sorry Watermark. Upload your video, select the watermark area, and remove it. You can also upscale the video since Sora 2 generates videos in 720p quality. Okay, let's remove the watermark and upscale the video. Now our video looks great without the watermark. Step 3. Upload it on YouTube Shorts. First, create a YouTube account and upload a profile photo. Something AI-related works well. Complete your channel setup, banner, verification, etc. Now upload your short with a funny caption related to the video and add hashtags like #Sora2, #SoraVideo, #AI. Then upload it. Now you just need to post 4 to 5 videos daily. You can create them all at once and schedule uploads. The same process applies to TikTok. Once you meet the monetization requirements, apply for monetization and start earning. Let's wrap up this video. I hope you like my content. I'll add all important links in the description. You can also watch my previous marketing video. It's very helpful for business owners. Let me know in the comments what type of videos you want next, or if you have any doubts. Okay, see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.